let's see what exactly comes with this Range Industries kit to install the 2015 and up power steering rack. And this is what I purchased. Crown Victoria to Mustang electric steering rack kit from Range Industries. You get a razor blade. This has to be the bracket. These are new rods. That's one rod in. Oh cool, it came with the new clamps for the boots. Got the other rod in. The rod ends there, and these are supposed to use the original. Well, I guess this one was open. The original Crown Vic rod ends without having to need to modify. So yeah, there's both of those. These two boot clamps. Then the hardware to be able to install this bracket right here to my 2015 and up electric rack to my Crown Vic subframe. That's everything that comes with this Range Industries kit. It's the bracket. It's to be pretty solid. We'll see how it does. Again, the hardware. Two inner tie rods. One of them. The second one. And again, the two clamps to install to secure the boots onto the rack itself. Yep. Thanks for watching.